Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We got a really great video today. Hope you guys will enjoy it. It's a little graphic, so make sure that you guys stay tuned for it. Some of you have been asking me for a long time, but before we get to that video, Hiro, let's do an unboxing.
Yeah.
We have our box from Knife Merchant.
Knife Merchant.
These are for the 3 people who guessed all 3 answers correctly. And let's do it, Hiro. Let's open it up and show everyone what's in there.
It's a knife.
1,
2, and 3.
Anything else? Any lucky anything? Just an invoice.
Yeah, the same invoice.
If you guys missed it, on our 1 millionth subscriber video at the very end, we asked 3 questions, and the fastest ones to answer were able to get this knife. Okay, Hiro, got all these knives signed. Thank you so much for everyone to being part of this whole knife giveaway. One last thing we wanted to tell you, tomorrow, Monday, the 18th, Hiro and I is actually flying out to California. We'll be flying on Monday and heading into LA, but then we'll be driving down to San Diego, right? And spending the night there, and then we will be headed up to LA on Tuesday, where we'll be until, I believe it is Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah.
We're going to be actually in San Francisco after LA. So at VidCon, which we'll be attending, if you see Hiro, come up to him and say good afternoon, and we will be giving you something. One of our new merchandise that Hiro's got designed. Here they are. We have baseball t-shirts, black and also red. When the good afternoon, this came from a fan about 11 months ago. His channel name, or his name on YouTube, was called Pagan Pride, and here it is 11 months ago. So we're going to be sending Pagan Pride a hat and a shirt. Thanks for giving such a great idea for this good afternoon, including your 88 slices, Hiro. Don't forget to follow him on Instagram.
Yeah.
We will be
we'll be in the Torrance Mitsuo Market.
Wherever he's at, he's going to be showing some live video. Come up to him. He'll have a good afternoon hats, shirts, maybe a couple aprons. So hopefully you guys can get to him while supplies last. Okay,
So,
here's the Instagram. Follow below the information, and we'll see you soon. Enjoy the video.
Yeah.
Thanks, everyone. One happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. Thanks so much for being a supporter of this channel, for spending some time here with us. In talking with Hiro, we wanted to do something special for all you men.
we have an eel here.
A live eel, a super live eel. This guy was really, really tough to handle. The lady over there at the place where we bought it.
Last
was-
time actually I struggling.
Yeah, struggling, and this time you're going to struggle again. We're going to show all that. But Hiro, let's go through the ingredients to show everybody what we're doing.
Okay. Yeah, from the this side, this is chili pepper.
Okay.
This is we call kikurage. That's called English the wood ear mushroom.
Right.
And then we're gonna do ginger, garlic, scallion, velvet onions, and salt and pepper. Here's sambar, and this is exogen. Sake, honey, soy, and the mirin.
And today's going to be more like an Asian, maybe a Cantonese inspired dish, right?
Very Asian
Okay.
style today.
I can't wait to try it. It looks really, really great, the way you're describing it.
First, I'm gonna open up this one,
Okay.
and after that, I'm gonna do first deep fry.
Okay. Very
Then
good,
after,
Hiro.
I'm gonna saute in the wok.
Okay. Yeah, it's going to be a challenge. It's really, really strong. Now, which knife are you using, Hiro? You're going to use which knife?
I'm going to use Deva knife.
Your Deva knife? This show everyone how live it is?
Very light. Very light. But I mean, it's really strong.
Yeah, this is one healthy eel. Okay. Can you guys see that pretty good? I don't know, the lighting is so-so. All right, for the love of food and a delicious recipe. 1, 2,
Ready?
3.
Ready? Oh. That's a very hard though. I go to this from this side. Doesn't go through.
That should do it, right?
Yeah. It's very much still strong, you know.
Yeah. Okay, now for the rest of the preparation.
This one I just cut into the big one, a little bit cut in small. I will shoot a eel, so I'm gonna take the wipe off.
Okay.
Water out.
Sounds like once you cut it, you can hear the skin is really thick.
Yeah, it's a bone.
It's a bone.
I'm gonna put the salt and pepper. And then next one is gonna mix with the cornstarch. So this guy is gonna do almost like an all the way cook.
Cooked all the way,
All the way
right?
cook, yeah.
Okay. Okay, looks good, Hiro.
Okay, let's start the cooking parts.
All right. Let's take a look at that. It's beautiful, Hiro.
Very good, right?
Looks really good and smells nice too.
So we're gonna put the ginger and garlic.
Okay.
A little bit of cheese. Onion.
Oh, I can smell it in my nose.
Kind of spicy?
Yeah, a little spicy. Actually, it smells good. I love the ginger and the garlic, of course.
キクラゲ。豚酒。ハンバーグ。And then the mirin, soy sauce. And then eel. Yeah, it's gonna be a little spicy
aroma.
coming too.
Actually, smells really good.
Right. And then I'm gonna use the exogen.
Okay.
And scallion. And then honey.
It looks really good here.
Looking
Wow,
about
look at the
right.
color.
Okay, that's it. Put the salad on the plate.
Wow.
And a little bit of fresh scallion. Okay,
What a beautiful dish you've created,
that's
Hiro.
it. Yeah.
It looks really, really good. Hope you guys like it at home. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. And thank you so much, Hiro. Hope you guys liked
Thank
it. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope it wasn't too gory for y'all, but wish you were here to taste it with us. It looks really good. See you soon, Hiro.
See you
Thank
soon. Thank you.
And now to the tasting part. Hiro, are you ready?
Yeah. Sure.
All right. Itadakimasu.
Okay.
Looks great.
That's good, right? I'm gonna take this one.
Get a close up of this Hiro. How's the meat? It's pretty tender.
The meat, yeah, I think. Yeah, skin is very tough, so
Yeah.
yeah, it's kind of. Yeah, let me bite it. Yeah, I think the last time we went with like a Eel barbecue,
Yeah.
it was very very tough, the meat, but this time more better.
Better, right?
Yeah.
And I'm sure if you cooked it longer, it would have been even more tender as well. Let's take a look at that. It looks great. Is it spicy? You definitely smell the spice from here.
Yeah, but not too spicy.
Those red peppers are fierce.
Well, you can tell very different meal with regular eel kabayaki, right? It's more like a daily meat. Yeah, it's a little bit tough.
Right.
Maybe next time we do a
stew,
like
right?
more like a stew, suroku
Casserole, yeah.
Yeah, that's what we can try.
Okay.
But it's not bad.
Sounds good, Hiro. Can't wait to try myself.
So,
It's kind of messy, so I'm going to eat it off camera. Thank you guys for sticking around. See you soon.
yeah, see you soon. Thank you.
Thank you.